In the grand theater of the cosmos, few performances can match the stunning spectacle of a solar eclipse. Such a celestial ballet, where the moon pirouettes before the sun, happens but a handful of times per century in any given location. Today we find ourselves on the cusp of one such rare and wondrous event. Our protagonist, an amateur astronomer, waits in quiet anticipation within his garden shed, his eyes fixed on the heavens through the lens of his trusty telescope. This is no ordinary stargazing session. Today he hopes to bear witness to the sun's temporary vanishing act, a sight that has captivated humans since time immemorial. Solar eclipses, while beautiful, are not without their dangers. The sun, even when obscured by the moon, emits powerful rays that can harm unprotected eyes. Our astronomer knows this well. His telescope is equipped with a special solar filter designed to safely observe the sun. These filters block out the harmful ultraviolet and infrared radiation, allowing only a fraction of the sun's visible light to pass through. Our astronomer is not alone in his garden shed. Across the globe, millions of people are preparing to witness this celestial event, all taking precautions to protect their eyes from the sun's harmful rays. Some use solar viewing glasses, others pinhole projectors, while those with telescopes employ solar filters just like our astronomer. The clouds part, offering a brief window to the heavens. The astronomer's heart races as he adjusts the focus of his telescope. It's showtime. The moon begins its delicate dance across the sun, a slow waltz that will last but a few precious minutes. As the eclipse reaches totality, a hush falls over the world. Day turns into night. The stars twinkle in the darkened sky, and the solar corona, the sun's outer atmosphere, shimmers like a halo around the moon. It's a sight that takes the breath away, a reminder of our tiny place in the vast universe. The moon continues its journey, and slowly, the sun begins to re-emerge, a sliver of light growing larger with each passing moment. The world returns to normal, but for those who witnessed it, the memory of the eclipse will last a lifetime. For our astronomer, the event was a validation of his passion, a testament to the awe-inspiring beauty of the cosmos. As he packs away his telescope, he can't help but look forward to the next solar eclipse, another chance to witness the grand ballet of the universe.